The 7 Mile Bridge, old and new. But did you know? The 7 Mile Bridge isn't quite 7 miles. It's actually 6.79. Even more unexpected, the older bridge, built in 1912, is holding up better than the new one built in 1982. We found this out during our tour of Pigeon Key, right next to the old bridge. It was the day before our drive from Tavernier to Key West. My wife was already uneasy about driving over open water, and then our guide mentioned the new bridge's concrete might be failing. Great timing, right? Have you heard anything about the bridge's condition? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy road trips like this, like the video and subscribe for more Florida adventures. The old bridge was built with crushed limestone and has held up for over 100 years. Meanwhile, saltwater is breaking down the concrete on the newer bridge much faster than expected. Florida may soon have a big decision, major repairs or a total rebuild. The bridge began as part of Henry Flagler's Overseas Railroad in 1912. After the devastating 1935 Labor Day hurricane, it was converted for car travel. The current bridge opened in 1982, costing $45 million, roughly $140 million today. The crossing takes about 8 to 10 minutes, but the views last a lifetime. Ocean on both sides, nothing but sky ahead. But beneath that beauty lies concern. Florida's DOT is exploring options for the bridge's future. What happens next depends on funding, public input, and structural safety. Rebuild the bridge or find a way to reinforce it. Either way, this stretch of US 1 is too vital and iconic to lose. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe to join our journey across Florida's beaches.